Question number 34. A voltmeter reads 9 volt when it is connected across the terminals of a battery. That means what? There is no circuit connected here. We have just connected a battery connected to a voltmeter. An ideal voltmeter does not draw any electric current. Which means what? The voltage that is being given here can be considered to be equal to EMF. Okay. Now, when a resistance 11 ohm is connected over here in parallel with the battery, the voltmeter changes to 8.8 volt. When it is a circuit, it is 8.8 volt. Now, what is this reading now? This is nothing but your TPD. What is TPD? TPD is a terminal potential difference. Okay. So, terminal potential difference, you can use that term only when it is connected in a circuit. Now, this is nothing but your open circuited condition. In an open circuited condition, that means when you have just a battery, the EMF of the battery is nothing but equal to the value whatever has been specified. It's an open circuited condition. Now we have these values. Next, what we should do? The voltmeter it changes to this much. Okay. What is the internal resistance of the battery? Simple. Now, how is this and this related? Very simple formula. E minus IR is equal to V. This is how it has been related. Now, towards it, now this is your V. Now, from here we know that V is equal to 8.8 volt. A current I passes like this. The same current passes here also. You can also write this is equal to I into 11 here, right? So, therefore, I can now write I into 11 is equal to 8.8. I is equal to 8.8 divided by 11. So, 11 ones are, 11 eights are. So what is that you get? We get the 0.8 ampere over here. Okay, so this is the current. So same current comes over here. If I take the TPD in this region, I can now write E minus I into R is equal to V. So what is E here? E is 9 volt, which we have already seen, minus I is 0.8 into R is equal to 8.8. Now take this value. 0.8 R is equal to 9 minus 8.8, which is equal to 0.2. R should be equal to 0.2 divided by 0.8. It should be 1 by 4, which is nothing but 0.25 ohms. This is the right answer. B is the right answer.